How good are Rheem air conditioners? I'd like another opinion before I go out and buy one.
Rheem's expensive prestige high-efficiency heat pump is $3,500 for a 2-ton unit, $4,000 for a 3-ton unit, and about $7,000 for a 5-ton unit.
I want an air conditioner, not a heat pump. Heat pumps cost more, because they are supposed to do the work of both the heater and air conditioner.
Rheem is one of the major brands, akin to Carrier and Trane, but not quite as high on reliability.
How good or bad are Rheem ACs overall?
Rheem is one of the better AC brands. It has some very efficient units.
I hope they are not efficient because they often fail. I've heard that joke about Amana and American Standard air conditioners.
The Rheem Prestige 2-stage ACs have SEER ratings up to 19.5.
Up to 19.5 SEER means it is probably 17 or 18.
Some of the higher efficiency Rude, Amana and other brands cannot even get to 18 SEER. The Prestige 2-stage ACs are usually in the 18 SEER range.
I don't know if I can afford an air conditioner that efficient.
Rheem's Value Series has a SEER rating of 16. It saves electricity by only using a second stage unit when it is really hot.
How would you rate their units overall?
Rheem is above average in customer ratings, though it gets its fair share of 1-star reviews. Unlike others, it gets more 2, 3 and 4-star ratings.
Why do middling ratings like that matter?
Companies who do SEO or marketing are more likely to fake 5-star reviews to build up their scores. A number of 4-star reviews are both positive and honest.
So you think Rheem is good?
It is not bad, compared to companies like Rude and American Standard.